Hi there guys, my name is Korak Roy. It's another Friday and Bollywood Now is back. This time with a movie जिसके लिए ऑडियंस कुछ 3 साल से इंतजार कर रही है. It's finally time for जग्गा जासूस. जग्गा यानी कि रणबीर कपूर बडिंग जासूस है, लेकिन अपनी जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा सवाल अब तक सॉल्व नहीं कर पाया. Where is his father? कहाँ है उसका टूटी फूटी पिछले कई सालों से? उन्हीं के खोज में निकल पड़ता है जग्गा, साथ ही कटरीना यानी कि श्रुति के साथ. इसी खोज के बीच एक इंटरनेशनल आर्म्स एंड गन्स कॉन्स्पिरेसी में घुस जाते हैं जग्गा और श्रुति. क्या इसे सॉल्व कर पाएंगे? क्या अपने पिता को ढूंढ पाएगा जग्गा? ये आपको पता चलेगा फिल्म देख के. So guys, it's time for the highs and brace yourself because there are quite a lot of them. There are many great things about the film, but the biggest USP has to be the relationship between little Jagga and his father Tutti Frutti. इन दोनों के बीच के कई सीन्स गिव द ऑडियंस सच अ हार्टवार्मिंग फीलिंग राइट एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म कि जग्गा बड़े होने के बाद जब बाप को ढूंढने निकलता है तब यू एज अ व्यूअर विल एट एवरी पॉइंट रूट फॉर हिम. द कास्ट, वाओ. Ranbir Kapoor brings out his absolute A game once again. Silence from him, around him, and letting the eyes do the talking seem to be Ranbir's specialty, and he delivers that quite remarkably here as well. Especially उन scenes में जहां बचपन की याद कर अपने डैड को मिस करता है जग्गा. Drawbacks such as stammering are very difficult to portray effectively on screen. Unintentionally मजाकिया बन सकता है. Something that happened very recently with Salman Khan's man-child act in Tubelight. But Ranbir holds his own. Be it stammering, singing, portraying his super sleuth detective skills aka Tintin, or even dancing his ass off in Galti Se Mistake. Ranbir is a delight in Jagga Jasoos, proving once again he is one of the best star actors in the country. Katrina does a very fine job. She is goofy, clumsy, as Ranbir calls her bad lucky, and she brings out these character traits wonderfully well with her portrayal of journalist Shruti Sengupta. Her and Ranbir's chemistry works like magic. It's childlike innocent, it's effortlessly charming, it's beautiful. Even with her falling everywhere, burning her room down, getting mud on herself at all times, Katrina looks like $1,000,000. A huge mention has to go to Bengali actor Saswata Chatterjee for his portrayal of Tutti Frutti, Jagga's father. He is so natural, so effortless with his act of selflessly loving this little boy Jagga that not only does the kid fall head over heels for him, but you as an audience will too. And also a huge credit to the boy who plays little Jagga. He will instantly take your heart, trust me. ये फिल्म कुछ 3 साल से in the making है. Audience was really starting to get restless after a while. In the film though, the gap never shows, only the effort does. It's technically top notch. Production work and continuity work is brilliant. हर एक costume on point, हर एक prop on point. Talking of props, the art direction and set designing of the film is phenomenal. It's a musical and it literally gives you the Broadway feel at times. Use of VFX to create some of the action sequences and animals has been wonderfully done as well. Cinematographer Ravi Varman has shot mostly in Thailand, Darjeeling and Morocco, and he has shot the film like magic. His cinematography will have you glide through this fairy tale. The fairy tale that was conceived by master storyteller Anurag Basu. Writer-director Anurag Basu का मैं तो बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ. Some of his films like Saya, Gangster, Life in a Metro are wonderful examples of storytelling. And even though Barfi did receive flack for its enormous use of references, let's not forget that it brought a huge smile to everyone's face. And that's exactly what's going to happen throughout Jagga Jasoos as well. As lead actor and first-time producer Ranbir Kapoor himself said before release, Anurag was the only one in the team who held on to his belief and did not give up on the project. And huge credit to the director for that. It is a musical in its truest sense, with songs and musical set pieces either building the characters or taking the narrative forward throughout the film. And Preetham deserves huge credit for that, because almost every song is perfect for that particular scenario in the film. Particular mention for Galti Se Mistake, Ullu Ka Patta, the beautiful ballad Phir Wahi, and of course, Sab Chale Gaye. Sab khana kha ke daru pi ke chale gaye. Sab khana kha ke daru pi ke chale gaye. Chale gaye. And now guys, time for the lows. मुझसे पूछा जाए तो नेगेटिव्स के बारे में सोचना भी मेरे लिए मुश्किल हो रहा. But one of the things I can think of, फिल्म सेकंड हाफ के बीच में थोड़ा सा स्लो हो जाता है. And it takes a lot of time in reaching to the conclusion. That can work against the film क्योंकि ऑडियंस कुछ जगहों पे रेस्टलेस हो जा सकती है towards the end. I'm really expecting people to like this film, but I'm also expecting some comments like यार बहुत गाने थे यार, कुछ ज़्यादा ही गाने थे. Guys, that's because musical है. You know, like La La Land, Chicago, Sound of Music. Musicals में गाने ही स्टोरी को आगे लेके जाते हैं और ये वही फिल्म है. इसीलिए इस पर्सपेक्टिव के साथ देखने जाइएगा. Before ending, I would like to say 2 things. अनुराग बासु को इतनी फ्लैक मिली थी after Barfi for all his references and his inspirations. ये फिल्म पूरी तरह ओरिजिनल है, but with one very important tribute. and that to the greatest filmmaker ever to have come out of this country, Mr. Satyajit Ray. The entire climax of this film has been shown in a land called Shundi. That's all I'm going to say, because true Ray fans know exactly what I'm talking about. And the second thing, the ending of the film is absolutely unexpected and it's going to totally sweep you off your feet. So guys, this is a film that is full of heart and will leave you with a huge smile. The simple story of the love between a father and a son won us over, and we are quite sure it will win you over as well. And that is why Bollywood now goes with 7.5 for Jagga Jasoos. So guys, आप जरूर फिल्म देखिए और कमेंट्स में हमें बताइए कैसी लगी फिल्म और कैसा लगा हमारे रिव्यू, और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना बिल्कुल ना भूलिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलिएगा, because all that is Bollywood is on Bollywood Now. This is Korak Roy. Till next time.